So I know you do a lot of things in the community. What kind of things do you do?
Well, I do a lot for businesses, so both in Scotland and Europe. I've been delivering a lot of sessions on Windows 7 and Windows Server R2. I've also been involved with MVP, like community days and things like that, which has been fun. I'm also at TechEd this week doing a number of kind of community sessions. We've got one tomorrow on, so you want to be an MVP, letting people know exactly what the MVP program is and how it works.
Great. And I know you have a blog and people can go into a search engine and type up Andy Malone and they'll find it.
Absolutely.
And so one of the things that I always am very interested in when I talk to MVPs is what got you into IT?
Oh gosh, I remember back in the 1980s having my first computer, and in the UK we had a computer, it was the BBC B, do you remember those?
Oh, BBC Basic,
yeah. Remember those?
Yeah.
So, and my kind of first experience on the internet was something called Micronet, and also Prestel. And I thought, wow, this is great going online, but I didn't like the £400 telephone bills. So that was kind of the first experience. And then I got my first PC with the blinking C:// and I was just hooked. I was just hooked, and I knew it was something I wanted to get into. Went to university, graduated, got a job as a trainer and a consultant, and the rest is history.
Right, so at a very, very early age, you were very into it, and and it just grew and grew and developed from there.
Absolutely.
So what's your favorite thing about IT? Why do you love IT?
I just love technology. I think it's exciting. I love the latest gadgets, and the way it's always changing. Some people are afraid of technology, but I think I want to know about it. I want to know more about it, and it just excites me.
And you can use technology in so many different forms as
everywhere.
well. That's also
everywhere.
something.
Yeah, I mean it touches almost every aspect of our lives now, and it's something that I think we're getting to a generation of people now who are used to growing up with the technology. But even my parents' generation, my grandparents, for example, they're going online. They're using the internet now, which is something I never thought would have happened.
Thank you very much for taking the time to come to the booth.
Pleasure.
Always a pleasure, never a chore. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Karen.
Cheers.